Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your Samsung S23 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever you have a case, I do not, but if your case is covering those bezels, so the dark part between the screen and the side of the phone, then it can go over into the screen and basically force you to open up widgets all the time. So that's what will happen to your phone. You won't be able to use apps, or simply it'll work a bit better because you will be able to click on some apps. Next, for the screen protector, if it's not applied properly on the screen, as you guys can see, my screen protector is perfectly aligned with everything. So that's great, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys removing it and getting a new one, but this time make sure that it's placed correctly. Next, what you guys want to do is grab a microfiber cloth and clean your screen with it. So this way we get rid of any dust, debris, and as a bonus, because it's a microfiber cloth, we're getting rid of the fingerprints. So 3 swipes is definitely enough. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna restart our phone. So we're gonna press the power button, the volume down button, and as you guys can see, just keep on holding it. And once our screen goes black and we feel a vibration, we can let go. And now this is a forced restart that did not require any touch on the screen, and this is how you should restart your phone. Next, what you guys want to do after the phone restarts is simply check for software updates. So we're gonna wait a second until everything loads up. Then we're gonna swipe up to open up the device, let it start. And now we're just gonna proceed with going into the settings. As a last resort, we're gonna check for software updates. So let's scroll down to the software update. It's almost at the bottom. Now tap download and install. You need Wi-Fi for it, so make sure that you're connected to the network. My software is up to date. I'm on One UI 8.0 and my Android version is 16. But if you have some updates available, then you will see a button on the bottom to download and install them. And if you do, then make sure to do that because it's very important to keep up with the latest version on your phone. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.